Hey folks, welcome along to the Gastro Garage. I was going to do this taste test outdoors, but the weather's not the best. So what it is the lovely folk at Surreyarmoury have sent me some dried food and MRE type food to test. This one is goulash soup. It's a particular favourite of mine. It reminds us of when I used to first go touring in Germany, in the Black Forest, stuff like that. And the weather is very similar to what it is here in the UK, changeable. And so the number of times we would stop at a cafe for lunch and have a nice steaming bowl of goulash soup and some crusty bread. Yeah, so it's a favourite of mine, and I'll be interested to see how well this one turns out. So like I say, I've been sent it to try out. I haven't paid for it, so but I'll be totally honest with you what it's like. It's all natural ingredients and all the rest of it. Its ingredients are beef broth, potatoes, beef back, canola oil, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, onion flour, rice flour, onion flour, salt, marjoram and cumin. So that sounds pretty good. Should be nice. I think the best ones are a little bit spicy and like hearty and warming. So let's go. As I say, I was intending to go on a walk, so I've got my flask. It's just a little Life Adventure 300ml flask. These are dead good. These I use them for making me coffee up for going to work. So like if I make me coffee at 7 in the morning, it's still hot at like 9:30. Sometimes even have to add a bit of cold water just to make it easier to drink. So without further ado, let's crack on with it. I'm aware that time is running out. Looks good stuff in there. So there's a fill line on the inside, but it should take approximately 285ml, which should be about what I've got in this flask. So put my specs on again. It's already smelling good. Right, the important thing with these is to make sure you get into the corners and so everything is hydrated. It's there we go, on the front it'll tell us here it is 65 grams dry and 350 grams once it's rehydrated. So get all that stuff out the corners there and seal this, the resealable seal up, and I need new glasses, me. 5 to 6 minutes that has to stand for. What else have we got? 252 calories, so that's not bad, just to keep you going. Okay, so I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, that's a good 5-6 minutes, possibly more. Right here, there's a secondary tear notch there, so you can spray soup all over the place if you like. It looks good, smells good. It's a good thick soup as well. Just get rid of some of that. tell you what, if you just get a quick look at that, if I can do it without spilling it all over the table, I'll get it into this mug, the Tom Shoe titanium one, by the way, you know, because you've got to mention the titanium. Right, that's all of it over there. This is also a Sea to Summit titanium spoke. It's a long length handle, it's good for them MRE type pouches. Yeah. Let's see. Can you see there? Not quite. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Put the specs on again. Yeah, so we got, yeah, I can see that there's potato in it. Smells lovely, lovely beefy smell. But this is the important bit. Perfect. Don't want to spill it everywhere, but oi. But I will anyway. Okay, I'll spare you me eating the rest of that. Thanks again to the Surrey Armoury for giving me this stuff to try. Check out their website, I'll put a link in the description. Adventuremenu foods. Yeah, like I say, all natural ingredients. I think the price range is on par with the Wayfarer meals that you get at a well-known popular discount go outdoors shop. Oops, gave it away there. Yeah, but tastes delicious. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I don't often say this, but if you enjoyed watching, click subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Just got to put in your email and a password or something like that, and then click on the bell to get all notifications. So if you want to if you want to watch videos of a old fella making soup in his garage, it's up to you. Cut.